G'day everybody! This is version 2 of Nuka-Cola, but we are making Nuka-Cola Aquarium. Aquarium? Okay, it's basically Nuka-Cola but blue. Okay, it's literally have the same ingredients. You still add sugar, water, the same amount, but for sugar, 2 cups, not 3 cups. Okay, lemon and lime skins, and 1 teaspoon of fruit punch. Move this out a little bit. Put this right here. Always, when you're grabbing a teaspoon of a bottle this big, always do it above a cup so you can grab it. 1 teaspoon of this. 1 teaspoon of 2 teaspoons, so I need another one of this. Sorry. 2 teaspoons of this. Two teaspoons of this, and this is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice, Pomegranate juice. Okay, to spell it out for you, if in case I don't spell it correctly. One, two, then put this on the oven and do the exact same thing. I'll come to you back when I finish. Oh yeah, just saying, if you didn't watch my how to make Nuka-Cola, the cooking technique is basically boil. When it's boiling, simmer it 10 minutes. Then put the table there, mix it around, put lime and lemon juice, the leftover when you take the skin off, into it, like so. Mix it again. Pour some vanilla in a teaspoon. Grab your where is it? Container. Grab your container. Grab this. Put it there. Grab it, and pull it in carefully. Don't get hurt. Okay? Into the bucket. Now, how to make it. 1 minute. Add a teaspoon of acetic acid. Oh, that's what it is. How do you even open these things? One tablespoon of it. Of this. Dunk it in. Also mix it. Then 5 drops of blue dye. Let's get this thing off. How do you get this? I mean, got it. 5 drops of food dye of blue. 1, 2. There you go. Now mix it constantly. Then chuck a lid on it. Then I will present it you another time when I'm presenting my other nuka cola. Okay? Let it cool down, then stick it into a